All I did was key up. Yesterday I made these cats, the clowns on 31 a video gate using realistic RG58 with crimp-on connectors in my Ameritron. Only did it about 1100 watts. I traded to the regular RG8 today with a flat, non-moving SWR as opposed to what they see yesterday, flying up to 1.3. And with a flat, just barely moving, it's tapping a little over 1400 tonight.
Hello, we do copy you. Don't get back. Don't get back. Don't get back on my little walkie-talkie radio. Info.
Hey, yo, Ninja.
Shut up, you toothless bastard. What up there, Richie? What's going on?
Nothing, Ninja. I'm gonna make these cats. I'm talking to you, and I'm gonna swing this camera around real quick. I made these clowns a video game last night just to show them RG58 at Radio Shack cable, and I wanted to show them, that it's 800 watt cable, or at least so they say. But on my Ameritron Ninja, it was swinging up to about a 1.3 with the SWR, reflecting a little under 12. Now I'm gonna swing this camera and show them with regular RG8 with no SWR. Well, actually, there's a tiny movement off the flat mark. Oh, yeah, look at all that. See the huge difference, man. I'm doing that for the video game, Ninja. Hey, Ninja, I'm going to label this video game. Oh, almost close to 450 bird watts. Watch that, motherfucker. Look at that SWR. It ain't even moving. It ain't even moving. Look at that. Wow. 3 to 14. Audio driving for sure. Hey, Ninja, check this video game, man. I'm through. I'm going to put this video game loaded up right now because I want them to see the difference. And then tomorrow I'll tell you the big joke about this 1400. And that's going to be a shocker. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. And my AT height is 30 feet below where it should be. I'm missing about another 3 to 4 pounds a hit. Audio with a drive, boy.
Richie, now you sound real good. Richie, what's your telly you using now?
Right now I'm on the IMAX. About 7 feet off the roof line. It's supposed to be about 27 feet. But I'll settle for the 7 for tonight. And know when Antenna King get done, we're screwed in now, we're screwed in with them done, and about another 30, 31 to the base end. Audio drive, baby.
Sounding good there, Richie. Unbelievable. Never you mind, kiddo.
Well, I wanted to give them that video game yesterday. I labeled it a little over 400 bird. But that was with Radio Shack, a 50-foot piece of Radio Shack, $20.99, 50-foot with the crimp-ons. RG58, the thinnest shit on the market. And no 3500 should ever see that, But I did it for y'all anyway, just to prove a point. Tonight I give you another piece. And tomorrow I'm going to give you the biggest joke. So let's see, we had no complaints, we checked all interference, nothing on the blocks. Tomorrow I'm going to drop the biggest joke in the world on you mothers. And when I finally take it off and remove it, I'm going to videogate it just to stick it up all your asses. Just so you know, when I tell you with mathematics I'll put your status above the average, I don't give a flying fuck if you're using two different pieces of RG8 or 199.13, one RG8, and then one Mini A cable to make a fucking 80-foot run with 3 different brakes in it. There will be no reflect, there will be no RF leak, there will be no enter IF. But if that length is wrong, pity your neighbors. 111. No disrespect, but Richie won a long time ago before they even thought about starting it. No doubt or doubt it. I gotta pay the cost to be this New York City boss. I got a boss. You know who's got Richie by the balls? His landlord. With that, Richie Radio, I got work to do. I gotta take care of the man who holds my antenna in the palm of his hand. Audio Drive, the Sound King around NYC. That Brooklyn CB shop. We ain't 10 days straight yet with the station. It ain't nowhere near back to normal yet, but it'll work for now.
How about it, 148? Yeah, Michael, give me a second. Michael, give me a second, baby. 1 second, brother. I'm not your baby, man. What's up with that?
Hey, Mr. Ninja, is Mitch on the channel this evening?
Is who on? Mitchell?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Tori. I was shouting him on the bridge. If he was on, he would have been out here.
Alright, I kind of figured if he was, he'd be sitting back laughing. Alright, 127. They're back quiet. I'm clear.
Audio 11111. Audio. Yeah, 148. Yeah, Michael.
Yeah, Richie's making it tough over here.
What's that?
Richie Radio must be throwing 1,000 watts or something.
Yeah, no, if I go on my flat side, Richie won't even exist. Yeah, how's my audio sound over there?
It sounds good. Now you're talking about the bombs.
Hey, he ain't lying to you. He is not lying to you. He go on that flat side, this 1400 with my 30 feet height I don't have right now. He ain't lying, baby.
I'm only 5 feet off the ground, but I ain't worried. But I'm running some good power right now. You want to see how it was working here, Roger?
Well, now you can't know that.
What are you talking about?
But that's not supposed to what you
No, I was telling the kid that 148 was not lying to him, that he was informing him very correctly.
Yeah, Roger.
I guess maybe it's just the way some of them are made. But when I tune it up with audio, I only get to about 12. When I tune it up the way the book tells me, how the book tells me, she tapping about 14. And I do it with a closed mic gain, Roger?
Check it. 5 foot 1 inch off the ground, 148 dead down. Get on now.
Hey, tell him again about the flat side. Yo, tell him one more time about the flat side, man. Let him know. I'll tell him for you. He ain't lying.
Roger. Appreciate it, Willie. Hey, Will, how big is that arm right now?
Audio Drive.
How big is the arm?
It's low. Your audio comes over, but it's not there.